Sure. Here's a punchy, engaging 2-minute YouTube video script reviewing the 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw electric and petrol options, intro scene, hook and car details. Upbeat background music, walking towards the Bajaj Rickshaw. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the hottest rides of the year. Today, we've got something special for you, the 2025 Bajaj Auto Rickshaw. Available in both electric and petrol options, Bajaj is redefining urban mobility. Let's dive into the details, from looks to performance, and find out what makes this rickshaw a game changer. Scene transition, exterior shot. Camera pan of the exterior, focusing on design. Starting with the exterior, Bajaj has given this rickshaw a modern facelift. The body is sleek, with aerodynamic lines and bold front styling. You get LED headlights for better visibility at night, and an updated grille that adds a fresh touch. The color palette is vibrant, perfect for city life. Close-up of the electric badge and petrol filler cap. Plus, whether you choose the eco-friendly electric variant or the trusty petrol option, Bajaj has ensured both versions look equally stylish. Scene transition, interior features. Cut to the interior shots, dashboard, seats, and features. Now let's talk interior. Bajaj has upgraded the cabin with a more modern layout. You've got a new digital instrument cluster displaying speed, battery range, or fuel levels. The seats are ergonomic and wider, giving drivers a comfortable experience even on longer shifts. Show the passenger seats. And for passengers, spacious legroom and a sturdy grab bar make this ride practical and comfortable. Scene transition, comfort level. Shots of rickshaw driving through rough roads smoothly. Comfort well, Bajaj nails it here. The new suspension system handles potholes like a pro. Whether it's the petrol variant or the silent electric motor, vibrations are minimal, making it a smooth ride for both drivers and passengers. Scene transition, performance. Dynamic shots of the rickshaw in action. Here's where things get interesting, performance. The petrol option delivers a reliable 8 to 10 HP engine with great fuel efficiency, perfect for daily commuters. But the electric version is where Bajaj shines. You get a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, with a quick charging option. Plus, it's almost silent and produces zero emissions, which is great for the environment. Scene transition, conclusion. Standing next to the rickshaw, smiling at the camera.